Yeah, so right now it's raining in some spots, but not everywhere. Let's take a look right now at Charles City. Right now, Charles City continuing to see that rain. This likely could be a freezing rain at times. What this means is that it would take many hours to actually ice up grounds and roads. But what would ice up pretty more quickly, that's bridges. Like you're seeing right here in downtown Charles City, that could become icy. So just keep that in mind. Right now, temperatures are 34 degrees, but with strong winds, it feels like it's in the 20s and even in some spots, the teens. The rain continues in Charles City and will continue on and off for almost the rest of the morning there, maybe through about 10 a.m. In Rochester, we're not really expecting anything this morning aside from clouds and wind and these cold temps. You might see something stray at times, but the real bulk of this precipitation is on the south and eastern half of our viewing area. Most of that rain is in eastern Iowa to our southeast. They are getting quite a lot today, up to an inch. That's what we thought we would get 2 days ago. That has since, of course, trended south. Right now, this line of continued precipitation, it continues through Charles City. At times, we're probably seeing a couple of snowflakes in Mason City, and some of this continues to move through places in Howard County, Mitchell County, even eastern Mower County, east of Austin, Fillmore County in that as well. We haven't seen rain in Decorah this morning. Do know it's not going to be too heavy at any point, and if you are going to see icy precipitation, it really is going to take many hours that we might not have this morning to really ice up those roads. But like I said, bridges, that could ice up sooner. Temps right now out the door are in the upper 20s, low 30s, and we're going to warm up a little bit into the afternoon, low to mid 40s later today. Still, if you're in Albert Lee, Owatonna, Rochester, don't really expect to see any of this rain or even a couple of snowflakes this morning. If you do, it'll be very, very stray. Next couple of hours, you can see Sky Tracker 3 continues to keep these isolated, weak showers in our area in the pink. That denotes freezing rain. It shouldn't be too problematic. It maybe ices up your windshield, but roads should be pretty good. Again, the ground is warm enough to fight that off. Now, into the low to mid 40s this afternoon. Pretty cloudy, pretty breezy, maybe seeing a little bit of sunshine as the sun sets as we dip into the 20s overnight. It will be a cold morning tomorrow, well below freezing, and then we're going to start to warm back up. Sunday, oh, look at that, 50 degrees. Saturday's still kind of cool, but hey, by Monday next week, we're in the mid 60s, and it continues. The first 3 days of the work week next week, beautiful. Sunny skies, 60s, not terribly windy, but it does fall back down to earth, or close to earth, on Thursday. That's our next chance for drought-busting rain. We thought that was what we were getting today. Most of that is to our south now. Hopefully, we can get lucky this time in a week.
Do you think this at all signals a cool-down trend Thursday moving forward there?
No, it's still looking pretty warm.
Is it? Okay.
A good portion of March, yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Thanks, Sean.
Congress is one step closer to offering TikTok